Hey folks, we're right back into it. I'm exploring Balboa. It's a big family trip to Balboa. I'm sort of gently hoping to find either one of the other locations or my raft, but I'm also just enjoying a kind of nice nature hike. You know, not every thing has to be focused on the ending. I think that, you know, hunting for outcomes, well, it's good to have goals in mind. I think hunting for outcomes is sort of a less efficient way of going through life. What you really want to do is get sort of a good process under your belt. And then once you have that, outcomes just sort of, once you're sort of become like a person where it's like the main thing is doing the task, the products of that task will come to you sort of naturally. Makes any sort of sense. That is to say, if you want to write a book, you shouldn't spend too much time worrying about how to write a book. You should spend a lot of time building a writing practice, you know, an hour a day, 30 minutes a day even. And if you do that enough days in a row, a book will come about as a result of that kind of naturally, or at least that's what I think. At least that's what I'm hoping. Where the hell am I? Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my gosh, it's a jumping puzzle. What? What happened that there's like a huge amount of pollution right at the top of the island? Oh, they're sinking while I'm standing on them. I don't have time to sort of think through the logistics. What the hell? That was crazy. Could I just have... Yeah, I could have just cheesed it, I think. Where are we? Is this one of the stations, or is this the ranger station? I didn't remember there being a jumping puzzle like that. Okay, Ranger Station 2 and the Ranger Station. Which shall we go to first? Let's go to Ranger Station 2 first. Let's have a nice jog upstairs. We're hunting, as always, for notes, so keep an eye out. I will have played this through long before you view it, so don't bother commenting where the notes are if I miss one. You just have to live with the fact that I missed one and you know where it is for the rest of your life, unfortunately. Sorry. This. Wow. There's a crate here. I would love... I have this, this sort of, fantasy of being being like a fire watch person and just sitting out in nature, high up in the air. I don't think it would probably be as fun as I make it out to be. I think there's probably quite a lot of tasks and duties required, but I love this sort of like, you know, a home up high with green and stuff. Station 2. How do I, can I sleep here? No. Oh. Here. Station 2 started. And there's my note.
3 months ago, my sister Astrid and I were put in charge of the ranger station on Balboa. We handled the bear population and kept the relay towers operational. The next shift was meant to start weeks back, but the replacements never showed up. Henry suggested that I start writing things down after Astrid disappeared, so that I'm not feeling so lonely anymore.
Astrid disappeared. Henry, Bruno, and Ashley. Whoa. Almost just fully ate it right there. Tony Hawk, pro skater. it's nice at least that they sort of cut off some of the areas so you can kind of get through exploring them and be like relatively sure that there's not a ton else that you're missing. You require a light bulb, huh? We'll find one. Don't you worry. Ooh, that spooked me. Make them work. Hidden labor camp. Calls. Sorry, not a priority. Top secret email exchange. Big rig C race. Sayonara Seaside, God, Morgan Wetside. What's that mean? Biofuel, that's important. What are you? Oh. I need Bruno's wrench. It was this note. Okay, that's the new people were meant to show up, right? Found her wrench out by the clearing. Oh no. What can I drop here? I reckon wood. Don't need coconut. Yeah. I can eat this immediately. And this. Let me pick it up. Nice. That's some water. Some extra water I got. So I need to find that wrench, I reckon. And it said it's out by a clearing. Ugh. It's going to be sort of tough to accomplish, but we'll see what we can do. Oh, is my boat down here? No. Just looking for my boat, man. Just give a quick scan of the ocean. Because now I do need to go back there, I think. Before I go to Ranger Station 4. I think that's like the last. Or I think I'll find the wrench there probably if I'm being realistic. I mean, I know I could just jump down and swim around the island until I find my boat. Eventually I would, but I was hoping for maybe a better solution than that. Okay, are we done here for now? I think we are. I think we'll head down and let that be. Oh, I think I came here previously. Yeah, this is where the yeah. Okay, so I came up to a little crag in the wall is the thing. So I'm looking for this. And I was just at Ranger Station 2, which means I want to cross the middle of the island, I think. So I want to go straight from here, I'm pretty sure. I'm getting to do a little bit of cartography. Isn't that nice? Some quick coffee. We're just going to go as the crow flies if possible. I guess I should have out my weapon just in case a bear is around here. This is a little steep. Ooh. Well, I'm doing it, I guess, actually. Do I reckon there's something in the water over here? Let's go take a look here. Oh no, it's just an exit into the ocean, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. I was hoping I maybe could find like a secret, but that's fine. Wow, I guess Balboa is like the second. No, it's the third story location, so I'm only on the third story location. I'm not even halfway through this game. I guess I did spend a lot of time just sort of dicking around, if I'm being real. Beautiful boat. Imagine it's just not here. A bunch of stuff on me. That does not need to be. Put away some of my trophies. And let's actually go upstairs and do some researching. Researching. Here we are. Learned a machete, which I will need at least one of, and ideally if I can make two, I will. Wish there was a trash can. Oh, I can build one of those cans. That's funny. That's great. Just, I know that there's like a story going on right now and yada yada, but just really quick, like for my mental. No, not you. Well, I'll go ahead and take these up to the fridge first. That'll clear out my inventory a little bit. And we'll put just the honey in here for now, I guess. And then, oh, I just have a full machete. I thought I had to build one. Oh well. Oh, that's actually really nice. Why can't the recyclers be like that? I would love it if the... Wait, can they? No. Could they? No, they cannot. Leather I do not need with me currently. Do I have a box for that kind of junk? I don't think I do, you know? So I'm just gonna put it in the feathers chest for now. Get rid of this plastic. And then, ooh, nope, I want that. What does it take to build another one of these? It's just rope and like a bunch of metal stuff. Do that. Just so I have two just in case. Just in case something goes wrong while I'm out there. Then I have a good amount of water. I got plenty of food. We'll take some more though, actually. I don't have time really to fuck with that, actually. Do not want to. But what I will do is get full on water before I go back. And then refill the fresh water. And quickly that as well. So my animals don't starve while I'm gone. And refill. Just do a little bit of quick maintenance here. No problemo. Alright, and then we head back onto the island. We're headed for Station 4, I think? Yeah, Station 4. Or no, Station 6. Because that's the one that's high up, right? Yes. Station 6 is the one you have to like go through a vine coated like thing to get to. Yeah, because that's Station 4 over yonder. But I want Station 6. Or that is Station 4, right? Or maybe that's Station 2 with the Ranger Station as well. Station 4, Relay Station 6. Okay, yeah, because it's past... The Station 4 is like up that way, and that Station 6 is like up, 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 up. And I might have to fight a bear again. Oh, wait. Station 6, okay. And this is where I found the saw, right? Let me just double check and make sure it's a wrench somewhere. I'm guessing it's at Station 6, but... yeah. You're not Mama Bear, are you? Or you're regular bear, right? Fuck me. God damn. Yeah, you're a regular bear. Damn. I don't want to die. Not today. Wait. Oh, he is dead. Scary. Scary, scary, scary. Station 6 is this way. I think it's like up that direction would be my memory. Yeah. Up this hill. Maybe you have to pass by Station 4. Maybe Station 4 is a prerequisite. Whoop. Sorry, I got distracted by my own hair. I do love that it's like bears and llamas. Okay, yeah, this is the right way. I'd love to find some more bees, but I don't think they respawn at all. I think you're sort of out of luck as far as that goes. Well, that's daytime. Thanks, as always, for watching. It's sort of field trip on Balboa. Hope you have a good one today. Adios.